Alright, so what's going on, guys? I haven't recorded a video in a while, but that's because I've been doing a lot of body work on the truck. I painted this wrinkle red. It looks red on video, but it actually looks pretty orange in person. But did that, switch out the valve cover, and I recently got a turbo kit for the truck. So I got it off some guy in Waco. He sold me the whole kit for $300. It comes with the intake, the exhaust manifold, the turbo, intercooler kit, blow-off valve, wastegate, all the piping, a couple other fittings, the DE MAF, a couple other parts like the 5-volt exhaust flange. But hopefully I should be getting the other parts in the next maybe 2 to 3 weeks, if everything goes correctly. But I just wanted a compression tester to see how healthy the motor is. But yeah, I already took out the spark plugs. I screwed this in, and I'm just gonna have my brother-in-law crank the motor. I already disconnected the distributor, and I removed 2 fuses from the inside. Damn, that thing cut me. The fuel pump relay, and this is engine control. Hopefully that's ECU, but yeah, I just connected them in there. So he's just gonna crank it. I'm gonna check the compression. This is a dry compression test. I haven't put anything in there, so we're gonna test it out, see how it is. What?
Were you were taking out the spark plugs?
Are you? You're fucking gay as shit. You fit? Okay. You don't know it. Alright. Alright, just crank it.
Yeah, with what fucking key?
Use your fucking nail.
No, man.
No?
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Use your little dick. Here. Use the fucking flathead. I'll be serious, it works. And ghetto ass fucking truck.
Alright, ready?
Alright, go. I'll tell you when to stop. Go, just crank it.
That's I'm doing it.
Oh, you gotta push in the clutch. Make sure it's in neutral.
Oh, shit.
Pendejo. Make sure it's in fucking neutral, because if you fucking hit me, I'm gonna kill you.
Okay, so neutral. Alright, ready?
Go. Alright, stop. So it's about 160. Wow. No one? Am I tripping? 150. That's really good. So move on to the next one. Alright, go. Yeah, push in the clutch. Alright, go. Alright, stop. What the hell's that noise? Yeah, perfect 150. Yeah, I'll tell you when. Cylinder number 3. Go. Alright, yeah, stop. It's like 148. Still really good. Yeah, dude, my stomach's fucked up from my drinking days when I was fucking 18. Alright, cylinder number 4, crank it. Yeah. So 150, pretty much every single cylinder, so it's a good sign. The motor's healthy. I'm not even gonna do a wet test because they all came out pretty much 150 on the dot. So I mean, I think it's a pretty good deal. I got a pretty good deal. At first I hated the truck because of the fucking accident, but it's slowly coming along. I am doing body work on this car. You'll see another video coming soon of what I'm doing, but that's for the next video. I hope you guys are liking the build progress. I hope you guys like that hot import nice video. I worked really hard on that video. And I saw a couple other videos, and it actually didn't come out that bad. So Please give that one a like. Subscribe if you haven't to watch the build progress. Hopefully this turbo kit hopefully the turbo kit will be on in a month. I still gotta order injectors. I'm gonna try to do the RS Central P tune, but that's gonna be like $330. But that's what the tune I'm gonna go for. Hopefully they'll tune this motor since it is the OBD2 motor. But I'll get to that part whenever I get there. So I'm gonna order the what am I gonna order? I'm gonna order the probably the injectors and the relay. Sorry, the AFR gauge, the AM AFR gauge pretty soon, and then I'm gonna order the barb that goes into the oil drain this week as well. So I'll be making progress little by little, and hopefully I should get the next video up in hopefully the next week or two, because this the body work is taking a really long time. But yeah, give it a like and subscribe. Thank you guys.
You can have it your way. How do you want it? You can back that thing up.